Okay, I said I'd do some problems from you from exercise 12.3. So let's look at problem number 10. This is all starting on page 657. So starting on with problem 10, we're to find what is 24 feet over 1 second times 60 seconds over 1 minute times 60 minutes over 1 hour times 1 mile over 580 feet. Okay, and we'll see what is that answer. Well, first of all, let's see what we cancel out. We've got feet, cancel out, feet. We got a second and a second, minute and a minute. Hour is not canceled. Sorry, shouldn't have canceled that. And mile is not canceled. So we're going to end up with miles per hour. So when we do that calculation, we do 24 times 60 times 60 equals, divide by 5280. And we get approximately, rounding it to 15.36 miles per hour. All right, let's take a look at another one. Let's do something, let's do number 13. Number 13 is 10r cubed over 6n cubed times 42m squared all over 35r cubed. Well, I know r cubed and the r cubed can cancel out. N squared leaves me with just an n down here. Okay, 6 and 10 can cancel out. I'll divide both by 2, 5 and 3, and divide both of these by 7. I get 6 and 5. Then I can cancel 5 and a 5, and I can cancel this down to 1 and this down, divide by 3 to 2, and my final answer is 2 over n. There's my 2 and there's my n. 13. All right, let's try a different one. Let's try 20. Let's not try 20. You might be doing 20. So let's try 23. 23. We got x minus 6 all over x squared plus 4x minus 32 times x minus 4 all over x plus 2. All right, first thing I see is I might want to factor this. Let's see if I can factor it. Two numbers multiplied together give me 32. Added together give me positive 4. So 8 times 4 will give me, has a difference of 4, so we want a positive 8 and a negative 4, and we should put x at the beginning of each of these. And now x minus 4 cancels out, and I'm left with x minus 6 all over x plus 8 times x plus 2. All right, let's try number 32. My bedroom is 12 feet by 14 feet. And we want to get the cost. If it's $18 per square yard. So we got to convert that. So the first thing we do is we need to find the area. What's the area? 12 times 14. 12 times 14 is 168. But that's square feet. So I've got to convert this 168 to square yards. Okay, and then multiply that times 18 to find the cost. So we say 168 square feet times, I have feet on the bottom, so I need feet on the feet on the top, so I need feet on the bottom. So there's 3 feet in 1 yard. But there's 2 square feet, so I got to do that twice to get rid of both of them. And when I do that, I end up basically by 168 divided by 9, which gets me approximately 18.7 square yards. So if I buy 19 square yards at $18 per square yard, 19 times 18 equals $342. That's the cost of buying that 19 square yards. Okay. If I wanted to, I could take 18.7 times 18, and I'd get you $336. But I assume that the store only let me buy full yard increments. I couldn't buy a 0.7 of a yard. All right. Let's try one more. We got room on the page here for one more. Let's do 35. On 35, we're supposed to determine the number of vehicles involved in the backup. Okay? And during rush hour one evening, it was, backup was 13 miles. Three lanes. And we have 30 feet occupied per car. So if we say, and we're asked how many cars were involved, 35. The writing specimen can be used to determine the number of vehicles. Okay, so we have 3 lanes times 13 miles in each lane times 528 feet in each mile times 1 vehicle per 30 feet. And if you look at my cancellations, lanes gets canceled, miles gets canceled, feet gets canceled, and I'm left with just how many vehicles are on it. So if I do that calculation once again, I do 3 times 13, 3 times 13 times 5280 equals, that's the top, divide by 30, it'd be 64 vehicles. Involved in this backup. Okay. there's some problems.